Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your accounts are active and syncing. This is why recovery works. First, unlock the phone and open settings, then accounts to verify Samsung and Google sign-in. Make sure Contact Sync is enabled for each account. Without sync, backups won't appear. Once done, open the Contacts app and tap the three-line menu, then Manage Contacts. You're ready to select Restore or Import options. Don't skip verifying which account holds your previous contacts before proceeding. Now you perform the actual recovery. If you use Samsung Cloud, go to Settings or Samsung Cloud within Accounts and choose Restore Contacts, picking the correct backup date. If you backed up to Google, open Google Contacts on a browser or use Settings account, sync Restore Contacts to retrieve recent versions. Alternatively, use Smart Switch to pull contacts from a previous phone or import a VCF file from local storage. Make sure to select the destination account so contacts sync back to the right Finish by reviewing the contacts list. Open a few entries to confirm numbers, then use Merge and Manage duplicates to tidy up. Set your preferred default account so future contacts save correctly. If some numbers are still missing, make sure to check other accounts like Exchange or SIM and review older backup dates. Sometimes the right snapshot is earlier. If recovery fails, clear the Contacts app cache, force a resync, or export any recovered entries to a VCF and re-import to ensure everything stays intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.